Hey everybody, Chris here back with another Proto Tech Tip, and today we're going to be talking about the differences between chemical conversion coating and passivation. So here at Protocase, we're a one-stop shop for custom manufacturing, so we can make your design in 2 to 3 days, or a longer lead time if that works better for your budget. Part of that one-stop shop is offering many different finishing options so that you can create the exact fully finished parts that you need. 2 of those finishes are chemical conversion coating and passivation. Now we've done Proto Tech tips on both of these coating options in the past, so we put those links to the videos in the description below. Now you may be wondering whether chemical conversion coating or passivation is best suited for your custom parts. Now initially I will say that the primary difference between both of them is that which type of the metal that they're being applied on. Chemical conversion coating is also referred to as chem film, chromate coating, or yellow chromate coating. This process is strictly for aluminum and creates a surface that's corrosion resistant, durable, and exhibits stable electrical conductivity. Now chem film is especially good for aluminum parts that will not be powder coated. If your part is being powder coated, then chem film is not actually required, although it can be an effective pretreatment for powder coat if that's important to you and your project. Chemical conversion coating can also be great for creating reliable electrical connections inside an aluminum chassis that has components. So this may be helpful in combination with using masking and powder coating. One caution about chem film: we do not recommend applying chemical conversion coating to aluminum parts that have no additional finishing applied to them. Bare metal aluminum parts with no finish will have surface scratches, swirl marks, and blemishes. And once a no-finish part has been treated with chem film, that chem film coating will not mask or hide the blemishes that were already there. So for this reason, we recommend choosing a grain finish or vibratory finish for your aluminum parts before they're treated with chem film. Now we move on to passivation. Passivation is used for treating stainless steel exclusively. Similar to chem film, passivation is a process in which your part is placed into several liquid baths in order to apply a surface film that reduces corrosion. So why is this necessary? Well, even though stainless steel is naturally corrosion resistant, the metal can still oxidize due to its inherent properties. For this reason, passivation is still a good idea for stainless steel parts that you don't want powder coated. So it's an awesome option if you're choosing grain finish or a number 4 finish for your stainless steel parts. If you do choose to powder coat your stainless steel parts, passivation is not actually required, because once the parts are powder coated, they're not going to corrode. And again, similar to chemical conversion coating, if you're opting to mask certain areas of your stainless steel parts before they're powder coated, we do recommend passivating the part prior to masking and powder coating so that those bare areas will not oxidize. And over time, your passivated parts may have an appearance of rust. However, you need to remember that these spots are simply deposits and can be easily wiped off using vinegar on a lint-free, non-abrasive cloth. Let's talk dimensional constraints. Both of our chem film and passivation tanks are sized similarly, with a length of 43.5 inches and height of 30 inches. The chem film tanks are slightly wider at 34 inches compared to passivation tanks, which are 30.5 inches. So to sum things up, passivation is great for your stainless steel enclosures and parts because it will prevent those parts from oxidizing. Chemical conversion coating, on the other hand, creates a durable, corrosion-resistant, and conductive surface for aluminum parts. So when choosing either of these options, we need to recommend opting for a bare metal finish like grained or vibratory. Now we've got links below to previous Proto Tech tips about these processes, as well as some key pages on our website. Now remember, if you've got a design that you need made quickly to your exact specifications, we're here to help. Contact us to be connected to your Protocase account manager, who will then help you through every step of the way. Thanks for watching this week's Proto Tech Tip, and we'll see you back here again next week.